Kumusta daw?
Oh, very good. Tumutan kaayo.
Long time no see, panasi na. Mamutag mga best mga ba? Mamutag sa nitanan. Sa wakas, niabot na mi diri sa Pilipinas.
And we're somewhere very special for me. We're back in CAMIGUIN.
Ayo, ko pa naman ang pamilya ni Ma'am Joy,
Yeah, so we're with Mini Zowie.
Zoe Lynn, at the end ay, ug si John Paul,
And Kuya Melvin.
and Kuya Melvin. Ayos. Sige. So, doon na katuig, wala mi dire. The longest Zoe's ever been away from CAMIGUIN.
But now I'm home.
Yeah, buddy.
So I've been so excited for so long, and now it's really happening. And of course it's raining because it's CAMIGUIN. Yeah, so we're gonna go home, and then I'm gonna see my
Naki.
bata, my Naki kids.
Kumusta
my...
si Nakales? Maldito yapon.
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Sige, so muli namin sa iyang balay. Freshen up gamay. Count sa Jollibee. So, tara.
Hello. It's Christmas. I'm home, so we've made it to the house. This is actually my parents' house, but they're not here, so yes.
This is the room.
Yes.
Nice view.
Very nice. And the last time we were here, it was Christmas, so it's still Christmas 2 years later.
And this is the living room.
Apparently we have a printer, that's cool. Living room, it's messy because we just kind of put our stuff everywhere. But my dad hasn't seen it, like a lot of this part yet.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Put
you
some
can
wood
see
there.
The wood, or the wooden shelf here. Tiles. So yes. And now, oh, I gotta open some windows. But then we're gonna go across the road and see Nucky if he's home because he's always now.
Pag siyempre, diri sa Pilipinas, dapat dala og pasalubong.
Oh yes, your pasalubong. But I want one of these. Okay? But your pasalubong.
Ah, may pasalubong joke.
No, no joke. It's your pasalubong.
April Fools!
April Fools. It's mine, not yours.
Ay! Ay, I'm gonna sit there.
Zoe, which
So ito
one's-
na si Atinday.
Oh, it's all for you anyway. So yeah, it's all yours. Zoe, get a bag or something. Have a bag?
All.
All of it. Wow. Sana all.
Diabetes.
Daw, diabetes.
Ah, here you go.
Makaputang diabetes sa Jabi.
Diabetes.
But I want one, okay? Manga? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I think this is gonna.
Ah.
So if you don't remember, this is Atienday, and she helped raise Zoe.
She did.
Yes, tatay.
Okay. She did raise me. She's my auntie day. You're my auntie day. But I would have it. Yeah, and this mango and lots of chocolate and otap. But I want some of this. Because I haven't.
Good for tonsillitis.
That's a lot of Bili ako.
Ah! Palagi. Bubidyor.
Guba.
Kuba.
She's eating your pasalubong, ha?
With my own pasalubong.
Sige, so karon, mga ato mi sa Pikas. To say hi to Naki.
My neck.
Tanaw na mo kung maldito pa siya. Ingon nila, dili na siya maldito. Pero dili ko mutuo kay mura siya Diablo.
Oh, the last bucket.
Their old car. So this is the scooter that I rode when I hit a dog. But somehow I did not crash.
Amazes me.
Milagro. Naki.
Knock.
This place looks cool. Super green. Where?
Nucky. Hi, Uncle Bobong.
Bobong.
Hi, Uncle Bobong. Knock.
Whoa.
Oh, Knock, you gotta cut. My knock. Oh,
Should I samad?
yeah, from
Hello.
fighting.
Remember us?
It's me, your mother. Knock. It's me. No, Nucky, it's me. My baby.
Kiss ko be, kiss.
My baby.
Kiss ko be. May ligo. Bahoy ilok. Bahoy ilok.
After 3 weeks.
Oh, from his
Samad.
medicine. No, his medicine. Knock.
He's already
Behave.
swatting you.
That's my knock.
Now he remembers you. After he bit. Oh. Kiss kamay.
It's my baby. Knock.
Oh, there he is.
There's Nucky.
That's the Naki we know.
Knock's back.
Oh,
Nucky, you always lose too much hair.
tako samad.
Nucky, look at your little
Tako
balls.
samad.
Dili baby cat.
Kili na baby.
He's my baby boy. Ow, don't bite.
Oh.
It's our knock.
Remember me? Suplado na? Suplado na ka? Ay dagang kag-uyab? Tako ulo? Kiss ko ba? Gamay? Sak-sak gamay. Think he remembers us?
I think
I'm
so.
not sure.
Oh!
What's your problem? What's wrong with you?
It's Nucky!
Isa na ko'y allergy. Love gyapon siya. Bisan daghan kog sama tungod niya. Love gyapon ko siya. Okay. Go. Run.
Knock knock!
Oh wow, look at that.
Nucky, why you lose so much hair?
Oh my gosh.
Nucky remembers! So, we are on our way to Jollibee, and guess who's driving? It's been a hot minute since we've driven a car. Well, he's driven a car. Did you drive a car in Sri Lanka? No. On this side of the road, and it's our own car. Did you miss it?
It's nice to have a car. But diri sa CAMIGUIN, na yung mga checkpoint on the Karsada, you have to wash your hands
Wash
before you
your-
continue.
We'll show you, hold on.
Hugas ta? Hugas?
Let's go. So here, when you're changing municipalities, you have to wash your hands. Wow.
Yes, to go to the next town. Dapat mahugas. Hot water.
Okay, we have our chicken joy. It's really loud in here, so maybe you can't hear. John Paul, smile. So of course, we can't go without rice. We have a whole lot of rice, but of course, more chicken. And Auntie Inday, are you excited? It's chicken? Alright. What's that, asin? Salt is asin? Oh, what am I filming? That was a nightmare, sorry.
Sige, so morning akong first time dito sa Jollibee and sa katuig. Si Zoe nakataon na siya sa Manila. Ako wala pa. So, morning akong gi-order. Sa ka-bucket. Chicken joy. Dili na siya, tuna. Peach mango, akong paborito. Fries, rice, royal, maura. Kami ka, iyang first time.
Oh, your first time?
Dapat amping kay mura siyang lava.
It's super hot. Careful.
Pwerte ka init.
Dayon maingon imong mami nga laong.
It's loud. Nami,
Hindi ka lang di manghatag.
dapat maghulat para mabugnaw gamay. Pwerte ka nami, so di ka kahulat. Alright.
Alright. Kaon na ta?
Ako na ta.
So, sige.
Let me check.
Okay, we're checking.
No.
Oh, no?
You hit zoom.
Oh. So, sige, we are walking to the bye-bye, the dagat. What's the appropriate word?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're going to the bye-bye. We've got Mini Zoe. Oh, we're kind of matching. Cute. We can't just turn it around to show them Odette. But behind me, we have the covered court, which is now only half covered because this is a result of Typhoon Odette. You see? Not good. So it's probably going to take them a while to fix it, which sucks.
Pero karon, padulong nami sa dagat kay mga 5 minutes lang ang baklay. Pabugnaw gamay kay brown up. And nindot daw ang corals, wala pa ko ka sulod. Wala pa ko ka scuba dive. Wala pa ko ka ano nito?
Snorkel.
Snorkel. Diya dapita, so tanaw na to kung nindot ni siya. So baklay tabay. Alright, so this is the spot that Zoe's been coming to for 27 years.
My dad has been coming to it longer than me, but it's completely changed, which makes me a little bit sad.
Because of Odette, the typhoon.
The Odette destroyed everything, but also they've developed a little bit. There's always been like a little house here, but now they've really made it their home, and that's great for them. But it just makes me sad. And also the coconut tree that my dad leaned on for like 30 years fell down at some point. So.
But you can still see Antigua Island.
Yes, you can. So we're gonna find a comfy spot on the rocks and go check out the coral.
In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your all the things I would do just to get close to you.
Di na kabutang. Kabuhi ni karon.
Suko na sinak.
Butang, magila butang ini.
Mapreso mo na siya.
Okay. Zoe, open the door.
Sige, so makaw na may gikan mi sa barbecuehan. So, mo ni among gimingaw gyud pag wala mi diri sa Pilipinas. Mo ni akong paborito baboy na barbecue, rog, inasal, yung manok.
Okay, so I'm super excited. As much as I love fried chicken, I think the only thing I love more is barbecue chicken. And I've cheated and I've already had 2 bites because I couldn't wait. But it is just as good, if not better, than I remember it. It's amazing. This is actually my first time having barbecue in CAMIGUIN. It's embarrassing. And I do try to minimize my meat intake, but I'm gonna try the pork. Oh, there we go.
Sarap yung sauce.
Love it. The sauce really makes it, you know.
It's true.
Onion toast rice, exquisite. Goodbye.
At the end, I say hi.
Judas is coming back.
Sige, so diri mahuman ang vlog kay kapo namin sa pagbiyahe.
Yeah, we're gonna eat dinner. It's been a big day. We have had a lot of food and a lot of good times with my family. And now we're gonna have dinner with my family. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Around CAMIGUIN still. Yeah, stay tuned for more family joining us.
Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh, amping mo tanan. Bye. See you in the next one.
Ayo, ayo, amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw, kadatikang giyahi